Hello to you, my jewelry maker friend. Are you ready to make a very unique, beautiful, and easy ring? All we need is a wire of about 0.8 millimeter thick, ring mandrel, our main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter, a ruler, and a piece of yarn. To start, we need to cut the wire out on the size that we desire, and for that we should measure the ring size. So we pick up the string and we wrap it all around the finger that we are going to make the ring for, and then would spread it out and put it on the ruler. It's about 7 centimeters for me. We triple the size, which means I need 21 centimeters to cut on this wire. And also we add up to 5 centimeters, it means 10 centimeters, and that would be 31. So I cut 31 centimeters of my 0.8 copper wire. You could use any other kind of wires, brass, steel, copper, gold, or silver even. And at this point, we need to determine the midpoint, and I would make the start and ending point close, and this would be the midpoint. And I'm going to put it on my ring mandrel where is suitable to my ring size, and then start to wrap both tails all around this mandrel. One tail is wrapping above and one of them below the mid wire ring, and we are going to continue that and would wrap one time on the above strand and one time for the beneath part, and we'll repeat that till there would be 5 centimeters, 4 to 5 centimeters left. And while this structure is on our mandrel, we are going to shape these two extra parts. So what we need is to bend these two parts a 90-degree bend. So we put our chain nose pliers or round nose pliers just like me and make a 90-degree bend, and we are going to do the same for the upper part. So again, we put the chain nose pliers or round nose pliers, just be careful to have a beautiful 90-degree bend. And here we have something like rectangle in between. And this structure is just like a spring, but we should squeeze it. And while we keep it with our fingers, we are going to wrap this extra part all around, and we need another 90-degree bend at this part. So we again put round nose pliers or chain nose pliers, and we would bend the extra part pull it, and this is the time we need to squeeze this U shape. So with our chain nose pliers, we push it a little, and we continue that for about 3 or 4 times. So we continue wrapping this part all around our main structure and those 4 rows. That is going to be our main ring. And of course, these are the decorative parts, and of course, the joints to attach these wires together. So we continue that till the end, and this is the important part. We shouldn't leave that just like this, and this is necessary to squeeze them and straighten them up. And also at the ending point, we should of course push the sharp edge on our work so that it wouldn't hurt your skin. We do the same for the other part, and 4 rows at left and 4 rows at right, and this would be our very beautiful ring. Just one another step, we again insert it into our ring mandrel, and with the plastic part of your tool, just start to hammer it, or you could do that with your plastic hammer. And we do that all around this ring so that if it has lost its shape, it will be corrected. Okay, so that's it. Another correction at this part and some fixations. It's all good, and let's test it out. Well, this is so beautiful, simple, yet very beautiful. What do you think about these kinds of wire rings? Would you like minimal style, or you would like more complicated ones? Thanks for watching this video. Hope you had enjoyed making this wire ring and you would make one. Take care and bye bye.